Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the sugar egg in Grow a Garden 2 in the Fall Harvest event new update. And okay, first you just need to go to this area at this baking event that located in the center of the map like this, the Fall Harvest map. And then next just go to meet the baker, NPC baker, and then tap on view rewards. And then in here you can get the sugar egg that has super rarity. You can get it when you successfully trade for pumpkin muffins. So make sure you have enough muffins, and you can get these muffins by to bake by bake it or cook it in this oven like this. Like in here, or like for this time, you can get these pumpkin muffins with these ingredients, the pumpkin and then sugar cane and wheat. And then after that just bake it, and then just wait it until the muffin is ready. And when you get 4 pumpkin muffins, just go back to your NPC, this NPC, the baker. And then next just wait this 4 pumpkin muffins, and after that you can get 2 sugar egg. And in this egg, when you hatch it, you can get the random pets on here. You can get a sugar bunny or a chocolate lab or fat cat like this. And then for the main rewards, the super rewards, you can get the Muffin Man like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the sugar egg in this Grow a Garden 2 new update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.